You're here right now for one reason and one reason only. What is that reason? Who knows what the actual reason why you're here right now? To achieve freedom. That is everything. That is the be-all, end-all. That is the pinnacle of every achievement you'll ever get in your whole life, whether it's your health, your relationship, your life, your wealth, anything. The freedom to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want, whenever you want. And when you achieve that, that will be the pinnacle of your life. And what I love talking about is how we achieve that. And unfortunately, there's a thing called money. And you can't achieve it without money. It's almost impossible to achieve that type of level of freedom without the ability of having money. And so what I want to do is take the next a little bit and talk about a very special concept called triple compounding. How do you get money making money without risk of losing that money? That's the difference between investing and compounding. Everyone thinks investing is compounding. It's not. They're not the same thing. Because compounding never goes backwards. If you see that little compound curve, it never goes backwards. Even if it's slower in the beginning, it rapidly increases as time goes on. And be a passenger, not a spectator. You want to know why the rich actually get richer? It's not because they work harder. It's not because they don't do anything. It's not that they're better than anyone else. It's they found themselves on a compound curve. And so what compound interest is money making money making money. So your money makes money, and then your money makes money, and that money then makes money, and you got a bunch of little armies of money out there working for you. And as you guys notice, it never goes backwards. It just gets faster and faster and faster as time goes on. It never loses past gains, and it accelerates growth over time. But that right there is the number one reason why people don't get compound interest accounts, true ones, is because they're slow in the beginning. Look at those first couple years. How much gold do you see in those first year or two? Hardly any. Because even if you made a 10% compounding and you had $10,000, you make $1,000. So now you went from 10 to 11. That's not very much growth. So you didn't get excited about that. But then it grew a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. And all of a sudden you're on this amazing, unstoppable curve of wealth. And that wealth that you get, yeah, it took you 5, 10, 15 years to get there. But when you get there, it will be the most powerful force you have in your life financially.